A blessed morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We've heard today two contradicting characters or characteristics in our gospel for today. The arrogance, that strong demand from the slaves or the servants, and might as well let us consider the goodness and the graciousness of this landowner. Maliban po sa reklamo o sa hinanakit ng mga magtatrabahong ito, let us reflect the goodness of the landowner. From sun up to sundown, he was willing to go out of his shell and look for people who weren't hired for such a work. Ninais niya at talagang minabuti niya na makita sino nga ba ang mga taong walang ginagawa o tila naghihintay ng mga biyayang ito para sa kanilang buhay. He was there to always move out, to also give and make them always feel they are valued, they are respected, they are dignified people. But then, we've heard how the arrogance, how the demands were there on the part of the servants, telling that it seems that life is unfair. But more than that, my dear brothers and sisters, isn't it that a reality up until now that we see how God's goodness is indeed true for us? That He would not want to see His sons and daughters useless, nothing, and seemingly as if without nothing to hold in this life. Walang-wala at wala ng dignidad. Kaya nga tayo may mga trabaho, kaya nga tayo may mga maliliit na gampanin sa bahay. Kaya nga ang ating suporta, ang ating mga tahimik na pagtugon na presensya, salita, pagmamahal, gampanin kung nasaan man tayo, ay pagpapaalala sa atin na hindi tayo dapat winawala, hindi tayo isinasantabi, kundi tayo ay pinapahalagahan. That we are not useless, but that we are valuable. Na ayaw makita ng Diyos na tila ay nakanganga na lang tayo ng buong araw. Ayaw din niya na makita niya tayo na hindi lumalago. He would not want us to see that we are not growing, we are not moving forward, learning and developing. But He wishes us to see that we are valuable, that we can do such thing, big or small. Kahit man nasa peak tayo ng ating career, even though we are already preparing to die down, enjoy retirement, or maybe we are at the middle of these two, struggling and also experiencing excellence. Such things, everyday work, everyday household experience, our faith contribution, our service, is but an experience how God calls us to be valuable and not to be useless. We enjoy such goodness of God's heart, and let us keep that in mind and grab that grace. God wants us to be fruitful. God wants us to do something significant. You are not useless. You are valuable.